Imagine a fighter jet built for the streets. That's exactly the feeling the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto delivers. Low, aggressive, and unbelievably fast, the Revuelto looks less like a supercar and more like a machine designed for combat. Every angle feels sharp, every detail engineered for speed. At the heart of this beast is a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine combined with 3 electric motors, producing over 1,000 horsepower. The hybrid power system delivers instant torque, launching the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 2.5 seconds. The acceleration is brutal. The V12 roars at high RPMs, while the electric motors provide immediate response, creating non-stop power that feels explosive from every corner. Its design pushes the futuristic feeling even further. Sharp body lines, stealth-inspired styling, active aerodynamics, and carbon fiber elements give the Revuelto a presence that feels almost unreal. It doesn't just look fast, it looks dangerous. Inside, the cockpit feels inspired by modern aviation. Digital displays, driver-focused controls, premium Alcantara, forged carbon fiber, and advanced performance systems surround the driver like a pilot inside a high-speed aircraft. And despite all the luxury, the main focus remains pure performance. Every sound, every gear change, and every burst of acceleration is designed to deliver maximum adrenaline. Expected pricing starts around $600,000, making it one of the most exclusive and extreme hybrid supercars ever created. But the real insanity of the Lamborghini Revuelto isn't only the numbers, it's the experience, the sound, the speed, the presence. This isn't just driving, this feels like piloting a street-legal fighter jet.